ऑनेस्ट इंडियन कपल डायरीज। मैं हूँ विद्या एंड बिहाइंड द कैमरा इज माई सुपर शाय हस्बैंड मोहित, जिसकी फोटोज आप हर जगह देख सकते हो ऑल अराउंड आवर हाउस। एंड ये हमारा हाउस टूर है। बेसिकली ये घर हमने खरीदा था व्हेन वी गॉट द न्यूज़ ऑफ आवर जूनियर वाज गोइंग टू कम सून इनटू आवर लाइव्स। तो हमने उसके लिए ये घर खरीदा था एंड वी आर ऑन अ टाइट बजट। वी हैव सेलेक्टेड ईच एंड एवरी डेकोर बहुत सस्ते में, इफ आई हैव टू टेल यू, एंड वी हैव ट्राइड टू गेट मैक्सिमम यूज ऑफ एवरीथिंग वी हैड. So starting with the center table, you can see these show pieces that we have displayed. These three show pieces that you can see are for 600 bucks we got from a local store in NCR region. This shiny ball that you are seeing is an acupuncture ball, and this is a feng shui tortoise which we already had and we have just displayed it. Okay, moving on to the wall. The wall is cladded in a wallpaper which we got from Evoque, along with this wall clock and this artificial plant which I'll be talking about later. These wallpaper that we got is for 1,000 bucks each, and हमारे वॉल के साइज के हिसाब से हमें 1.5 रोल्स लगे थे इस वॉलपेपर के. And we have displayed our wedding pictures here, जिसमें सिर्फ मैं, मेरे हस्बैंड और हमारी फैमिलीज हैं. This picture is again from a local store. It's a Radha Krishna painting, modern painting. Here you can see our inverter, जिसको हमने यूज़ किया है as a side table. And we have decorated it with simple things, minimalistic things. हमारी फैमिली पिक्चर है जिसमें मैं क्यूट से हस्बैंड हैं जब वो बहुत बहुत छोटे थे. These curtains again is purchased from Sector 4 market of Vaishali, and they were a pair of 4 for 1,000 rupees. Behind these curtains we have a white curtain which is see through sort of. ये हम day light में हम लोग इसको open रखते हैं so that the light can come inside the house, but right now we keep it closed वरना ये see through हो जाता है and everybody can peek into our house literally. Next is this cute little puja. This was the first thing me and my husband got जब हमारी शादी तय हो गई थी. This was the first thing we purchased. And this puja is not connected to the stand. This is a different piece. We got this from pepperfry.com. This is for 1,000 bucks and this is for 700 rupees only, and it's a very good material. These pictures that you see are all gifted by our parents. This key holder that you see over here is from Sadar Bazaar, Delhi, and it was just for 150 bucks. एंड अमेजोन इंडिया पे ये 599 का है आई गेस. आई एम नॉट श्योर, आई चेक 1 month बैक. ये जो आप देख रहे हैं, दिस इज़ अ पीस वी गॉट फ्रॉम अ हनीमून. ये रोम से है. ये वहाँ के जो इम्पोर्टेंट टूरिस्ट स्पॉट्स हैं उन सब का एक प्लेट पे 3D पिक्चर्स हैं. एंड दिस प्लांट इज़ फ्रॉम इवॉक, जो मैं आपको बता रही थी कि हमने वॉल क्लॉक के साथ खरीदा था. टुगेदर विद द क्लॉक ये दोनों 3,000 के अराउंड आए थे. These sofas that you are seeing are not purchased from anywhere. They are from my in-laws place. In fact, they are 33 years old. इन पे आज भी if you observe closely, you can see the bite marks of our dog Hero over here. Okay, he was my husband's favorite dog. Next is this dining area. Since this is an open layout, so the hall flows into the dining area. Dining area में dining table अभी missing है because we are on a budget and we are yet to buy. We are saving up for junior as I said, but we have decorated it with this photo which again is from the local store. और ये जो वॉल पे आप देख रहे हैं फ्लावर्स, दिस इज अ वॉल डेकोर which we got from Amazon India for 80 rupees. It was on sale. This bed, divan कह लीजिए, that you are seeing is from my husband's bachelor pad. This almirah over here is from my bachelor pad. These two plastic sofas were the first sofas actually in our previous rented house, and they're so multi-purpose. आराम से इस पे बैठ जाओ, बाहर बालकनी में डाल लो, कहीं भी शिफ्ट कर जाओ. So we are not selling it any time soon. And this cute little Buddha that you see, it's an indoor fountain. ये हमारा सबसे recent collection है, और ये जो बुद्धा है वो हमने होम सेंटर से खरीदा है. This again, the picture of Ganesha is gifted by my father, and these modern Krishna pictures that you see over here, they are gifted by my friends शादी पे. Apart from that, there are few tiny fridge magnets that you can see over here. ये हमने different places से collect की है, जहाँ हम लोग गए हैं. थोड़े शिमला से हैं, थोड़े वेनिस से हैं, थोड़े रोम से हैं. तो we have all displayed them all over here. And हमने अपने entry way to the bedroom को थोड़ा interesting बनाया है with our pictures again. इस दीवार पे भी pictures हैं, इस दीवार पे भी pictures हैं. Again, we have used a wall decor which is from Amazon India, and this was also on sale. ये शायद से 70 rupees था उस time पे. So this is our bedroom number 1, and ये जूनियर का bedroom होगा. दोनों में work in progress है, which I will be updating in the next video and hoping it will happen very soon. ये bathroom है, nothing much to be seen over here. तो ये हमारा छोटा सा घर था. Hope you like this video, and if you really like our video, click that thumbs up button, and please वो subscribe button जो यहाँ कहीं पोक कर रहा होगा ना, please subscribe if you like our video.